we are saying when you be an Fredoma, Edomba.
Sure.
Na Enra, I think say Abia for some of us, we were not surprised because now your expectations was strong.
Okay.
But for a bit to say good fellow money, also in money or more, Moon said so familiar with Kumasi Terreno. They were so surprised about the crowd, you know. And I'm catching almost say, oh, I'm surprised because they don't know how Fatulo Esia lock it down so combine. And the power of radio and media and so edimuntin timbai pa. But I think it is only right say ye better obi biara nra otimi enya akonya na oba work with Okoban Fatilo no and so ebi ye de biara se yen starting body na enra edie nyina yensem. The crowd was massive, the energy na super ntano pay gina ha na na se pa efi akumem na ye deda obi biara se omo te kwan no so omo nte kwan no so omo free kran ba omo free sunyane kofo bebre na bae nyankopon enka obi aho na ye da mu nyina mo so ase rich me pentema me aba bedi FIFA World Cup draw no enkomo me pentem pa enemi nya ekra nka mema code no nko a na nka matena se but me ye ne sa enye yi enti mesiamo an analysis ne se ne be nya mre na ye dey discuss FIFA World Cup groups no any draw na course we anu anu ntino ebe speed kakra na mo de ache enye tambia na e be nya mre bebre na dey aye slow some days they are normally irrelevant HBT na you be speed pa with your foreign news analysis you know from me side now you start straight from the English Premier League Nhyira fan Rich bare 3 years in here Aston Villa eka teams na omadani omo osi ahenefo no Premier League no se ubesa wojima asema make dia Kobe 3 seasons in the English Premier League Kosha Villa the games with contenders of the Premier League omo oje points from no omo ofeli so oje and how sa points you know every year in the final dynamics of the league Arsenal must be careful because say Osha English Premier League table na Rich say Arsenal say omo fambola games na e city anymore their games they have their issues but they can win them now on the face value there me medical can say any Arsenal team you represent biano can beat any team in the world not only in the English Premier League there are two big issues with Arsenal this weekend. Who say William Saliba on your fit? Mosquera na obaya on and cape bono on so pra on your fit. Last game at Arsenal a boy no oh you know not a Julian Timber any hand cap in able 4 and 5 and a Ben White able 2. Only a friend of Arteta so and fan say a United man and also the neighbor against Aston Villa or Jiri so bit more Jumano with Ben White at right back. Many again. But my problem any how stubborn Aston Villa team we you know. Say ne if it is true say Arsenal ain't near recover or a friend Declan Rice that will be a big problem. And who say a lot of tabloids predict to say Arsenal midfield no can go Zubimendi number 6, Martin Odegaard number 8, Eze number 10. Because there's a problem, big question mark with Declan Rice. Last 10 minutes of the last game at Arsenal were and also Cotton and Chain. Arsenal can say, oh, your players a bit more rotate your in depth. But Rich, Arsenal problem back home and he say, omo in depth na can 170 no. Rich, there is one player they don't really have a backup to. Declan Rice. And you want to any special on quality here. So box to box. All the Arsenal system na say, omo my very very solid in midfield no. Enti Miami share na say see your whole lineup na Declan Rice anymore. Rich, me person ba be gina Monday. Na yeah over the years when there's a key player missing in team B. Ni abaka so onu ni woni nti. Ni team ni enti ni an share na also almost no. Enti that is what I'll be looking at. So Declan Rice etimi ba akoko mpempo be gina game ni mu. Rich, I will still believe Arsenal will be good enough to beat this very very stubborn Unai Emery Aston Villa team no. The last time on Mubo game about 2-2. But before that, na Arsenal as a 2-0 against Villa. Arsenal says 2-0 not 2-2 na by the last game no. Na Villa aji points a free Arsenal home and away in a season na Arsenal League aji pa. It's a very very tricky game. Now, Senna Unai Emery in the big games, you know, Rich, he always want to play 2 double pivots in Kamara and Onana to protect in the back four, no, and make the game difficult. Because on him say, as the game progresses, say Rogers or McGinn, any old Watkins, and they Tillemas will find them passes, not almost create your moments in the game. Arsenal solid, but this is one of our big test game this season. So make tomorrow with the Premier League now. Temana Andy Bom Teta voice. So what's your some okay? I will say, and he has been consistent with that. I say every game will be an opportunity for these players to tell the whole world say they are ready to win the league. And may I also say Aston Villa game will be one of them. Mr. Renee up a game in the Bishay. It will be one of the best games you watch in the Premier League for a while. And I am tipping say Arsenal will get something away from that game, even though a year away to Villa. Bournemouth na Chelsea ikono. Rich, say usho omo graphic in the crown. A Chelsea say out of the 2 key players at Chelsea and your list, no, they will get one of them back in Rhys James. Before that list game, Bebasono. Now my ask Ami at Chelsea, so look, he's not going to race Rhys James in that game. Rhys James Nagasa on your fit to be playing consistently. Man, anyway, if you say na onya Rhys James, now bench your friend Moses Casolo too, and you're suspended, and to lose 2 key players. Sadly, it could affect his team, but he was stubborn to it. Rich, he quickly will have to bring Rhys James back. Now, Rhys James in Kuabana or Bano, will it be enough to bring Chelsea back to winning ways? Anna? May I so say Kopama too much start this game?
Sure.
About 10 or more games at Chelsea. He needs to start playing. Now, Rich, say, we must consider our only squad where this is Chelsea's one of their best teams on both team assemble. Sanchez, Gusto, Cucurella, Chaloba, Fofana, Rhys James in midfield alongside Enzo Fernandez, Pedro Neto, Garnacho, Kopama in the number 10 row behind João Pedro. Now, no credit. Obia knew what has hit or reality, no. But all of a sudden, Omu Yehubim, Omu Boardable. But results in them bad this season, said they about last season, no. But you start this season when they were second. All of a sudden, no matter TG, they want to find their mojo back, but they are not finding it. Rich, there are 2 Chelsea in the league game. They will go into this game very, very concentrated, and they know say you do timer in the season. One final consistency assemble to, until you can't go 2 games now winning and you still want to keep yourself as a contender of the Premier League. And I'm expecting Chelsea say, Omanya Dekwa will be a draw against him and friend Bournemouth. I was sad game him, I was a honum. Everton, Airborne Nottingham Forest. Sad game we. But me how to bet it. One way our own formula nida. For me, the best formula for this game is somewhere under 4.5. I am not expecting too many goals in Everton against Nottingham Forest because Everton mu fi ho no omu ye shaky kakra and Nottingham Forest na coached by Santos and I say Ant Postecoglou no Sean Dyche now. Sean Dyche yes uncle Kisilibia you want to score 4 or 5 goals in one game. It's a very very tight game in Everton Nottingham Forest. It's a whole better not what journey akosa we ho. Now Rich, who said this season Sunderland I storm on pa. There was season you there is a certain team or have big boys you know. But almost a big boy about what you know at Siena. Say massa the whole you know and you will be an bit in the about so. This could be one of those games. City air hosts Sunderland. But Rich, who in the entire and confront me G City in the you know. The last game they played, how a game is going. So 5-4 you know.
Only Fulham no.
Yes, a game they were winning comfortably. Then all of a sudden, now a moment is so game no Ojino one want to see. Now it tells you say City team no, they've not arrived yet. And it's a sign out here. And it's not more about how. That is the normal command you wait maybe a first game no say. And a normal circumstance City should beat Sunderland. Sunderland and you be a big goal bet you know. But they are 2 more against Fulham no. Emma unya maybe say City team na ngasa kra no. Omo so problems we more they need to solve. Rich, I am not saying Sunderland will be able to go and beat City Etihad. Even though they are stubborn, they can't. But to get Areshemu totally and absolutely in City there, and also so they are the Braka on a better sleeping a gamer. First of all, I think that we should get goals and over 1.5 game and a City not losing because Omo Ebo will fear against Tima, your friend Sunderland Ewo Newcastle Ebo Burnley. I was saying Newcastle to Michelle. The stock market team no still now. Rich Premier League no move so. It's a game I will tip Newcastle to beat Tima, your friend Burnley Ewo Tottenham and Brentford. What a tricky game. I say Ghana group no. That game way. Brentford for no. After so mo find you mojo no, omo nda nche wo. You can say Thomas Frank or against the former. Yes. I see. And Thomas Frank is also bad Tottenham no. Our problem with the home games. And see a very very open match. And see where I think over 1.5 the new Tottenham Stadium in that game no will be fantastic to watch. Leeds is here Chelsea in chair. Now they welcome Liverpool. I ask them
Liverpool.
It's a crowd, the Liverpool have some kind.
Me Ayala this weekend now. Me 2 investors for.
I'm move Liverpool go move. But the goals will come.
Who the Liverpool that will turn
up. But Rich, I in Liverpool release in quite a 1.5 member.
Okay.
Because Daniel Farke will send over Chelsea now. And Liverpool too. Only Tijina was Sunday. But also with more than 1 or 2 goals be at the amount. So you've made the analysis simple, 7 numbers and I don't know. I think say Leeds Liverpool and when you win Liverpool will come back Simbiano. Just go for your goals and you are rest assured say at least ubetimi winning bet no. Now in the Spanish La Liga, there's only 1 point in the separating Barcelona and Real Madrid. Now it is important to note that because Barca are quite away to Betis. Madrid go home to Celta Vigo. And Madrid himself say baby when Barca do no. I neck to neck. So be quite away and do me difficult kakra. Over so you no my year of fear. Say the be as for tapeno na also so over be sign ho. Now Rich. And you say Elbia Misro Betis. But I watch the La Liga pa. They are a good team. They are very very good team. And they have an experienced manager in Pellegrini. They play Pablo Fornals behind almost striker Kuchu. Na Omabo Morocco ni Abde, former La Masia boy no, on the right, Anthony on the left to give them weight. nti omo two wingers omo ya wingers omo nim twetwe omo tinya kati in abe hawaje and omo for nas behind Kucho then in fifi hono omo Marco Rocco any Diosa any omo say Magbatra who is a former Barcelona boy with Nathan 4 and 5 which omo team ni yes small team. Newspapers have struggled to predict Barca first 11 no because anyone say okay Frankie de Jong beba Pedri woho you can bring Rafinha as number 10 na wobo Rashford no Lamine Yamal and play any of the strikers whether Lewandowski and Aston Villa and me say o dey Eric Garcia 6 no bon eye and against Betis obetimi abo enti bono never Frankie de Jong ni Pedri ka ho never Rafinha on the left with Lamine Yamal on the right never either Ferran or Lewandowski but there's something going on. Every known Spanish media is predicting Ferran Torres so never starting game with. I don't know why. They are so sure say Lewandowski is not going to start against Betis. In all honesty, Mentia has to flick Premier press conference. LB and all kind of straight. And until be a predicted side. Until any of them you watch, you will see Ferran Torres as the striker. Which we 2 teams in the room, you will see goals.
Okay.
You can even be bold and go over 2.5 in the Betis Barcelona game. We are going to see goals in that game, no? And Barcelona is a favorite on paper. Say Omubetimi a winning. Nancy and Real Madrid ko share be bound for no. Omune's game I was on me BM Omuni team friend Atletico Madrid rich. Atletico Madrid for so Nancy and Barcelona show mu future. Enti e 2 teams are Omolusi omu last games to Barcelona and Real Madrid who are looking for response. Rich Memaka say this Bilbao team is one of the worst I have seen. Enti Metepe say omumi onu nyina per response no. One of them will get it more than the other, and Misika will be on team your friend Atletico Madrid. Send America Cano, Real Madrid hosting Celta Vigo, and again, I am hoping it will be a Kylian Mbappe show. Celta Vigo for no, they are so vulnerable when it comes to defense, you know. And so yes, another Babenabawa expect this goal machine. I friend Kylian Mbappe say obetimi atian ewo so, and Real Madrid win against Celta Vigo. The Santiago Bernabeu, and how that win will impact the league will depend on and net if Barcelona will get results Betis and I say omo enya results in the French League who say rich and Olympic Marseille and Timi and show and they say we call league ni so Lens and that first no it's omo that first the French League and also they tell make a French League and they say there's a big game Barcelona Paris Saint-Germain, rich, and then Omoni started Rene. I want the Parc de Prince. I am tipping Paris Saint-Germain. Say they will win and go back to top this weekend. In the Bundesliga, there you have to go for goals in some of the games. You know, RB Leipzig ended that second in the Bundesliga. Omobofia against Frankfurt. Bayern equal away to Undaf Stuttgart. They say Undaf there. Because together on one Asia goes swinging Edema and Tima, your friend of Dortmund, ever bought against CAG on final. So you look for the games and go you over 1.5 over 2.5 in the Bundesliga and you are good to go. Rich, ready? I mean, say
sure.
Mamma, your code no.
What do you mean?
Na intimi.
Duba kwabo.
Intimi mrefi na yama bonko because and commonly you know fear.
Na only the man common here then. Man for this 3 matches never we go 2 US near Boba Canada. I'm for
say I bring suku. Say also US visa and I Canadian visa account. To say do I get to some kwabo. Mama visa na me kwabo.
South Africa for me Thomas. Amubu food den this are dangerous mo ko be sigo there.
Me be trust account dey to obu ntimi. South Africa so mo kro ne. Na
what is South Africa mun come Mexico am so.
Na rich I hear you cry no. Omo host omo World Cup. I know many Mexico about first game.
It's a repeat.
No, we host omo no say na first game.
Because mo no 1-1. Into this time you pe winner.
I say me anyway.
Into mo nko na mo nko.
Oh, mo nko ma no ntu. Na ka ene ke fe nko Mexico. Yeah, ke fe nko Mexico.
Eti for sanity, 3 matches never ball. Group stage, you know. You have mienu our US near Baco, our Canada. I mean, it's a good news.
There, then say, yeah, but first one with US.
Yeah.
Near Kobo second one against England or Canada. Near Saba back to Philadelphia. The US. A more de papa. A more de team. Course na make church no anything that is make kasa code no and na make church no fabi na etwabi na me one announcement be marriage.
Okay.
Before me me code ni betu dwa no December we ayeremi me de me ankasa package bi ba amatu ni din the roll over bonanza for Christmas we omo 18 sharp power sports na omo try course ni nyina no made a unique formula be ba ebe ma obi abunyeska na a 3 days roll over 3 days roll over no me start Tuesday na say enetie udi e che na games ni bi church na the here say by Tuesday now 100 cities which the other any 100 cities Tuesday apart from the normal course na me beba no me the 3 odds course beba just 3 odds for 100 cities no 2 and next say you dia I have 3 odds until you get 300 cities the following day me say the 3 odds beba for 300 now we know you rolling over to the 300 no 2 actually not only 900 cities the following day no I say the 3 odds beba until the 3 days 3 roll over with 100 cities, you know. Which by the time I do 900, no, I don't call the next one, no.
That's a rare Christmas, you know.
That's a 2,700.
That's fine.
Bet you cross your Musama bonus in tea. That's a cash in bet 3,000 with only 100 cities. It's me so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, yeah, the enemy. Can I say you best start here roll over no to pay 100 cities to next Tuesday. Over start Jenny no with me way a unique. And me dey back of me say you be the brain and every near right into the new year no but any games you know course in here BW26D70DF7 second one BW26D7645F third one BW26D870FB and a last one BW26 D8D87A say oko osu bempa Ayala ewo X and I say Bismarck osu bempa -Ayala ewo Facebook and I say Ayala sponsor sa code no enyina ewo ho say wo share so on Nhyira TV you can take a screenshot na watimi actually but ema remfi starting from next week Tuesday yeah 3 days roll over bonanza no na ya pay Christmas money e di ashe botomuti na wakai na wasene so e di am rich enra